Hey everyone, ready to dive into the world of engineering? Let's get started. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of power supply design. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, understanding how to create a simple yet effective power supply is crucial for ensuring your circuits run smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we'll cover the key components, basic circuit configurations, and essential tips to help you build your own power supply from scratch. By the end, you'll have the confidence to power up your projects with ease. Identify power supply requirements. The first step is to determine your project's specific power needs. What voltage and current does your circuit require? For instance, LEDs need lower voltages, while motors or microcontrollers may demand higher levels. Additionally, the type of load you're powering influences your design. Common options include linear regulators for simplicity or switching power supplies for efficiency. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for selecting the right components. Selecting components with your power needs identified, it's time to choose the right components. Start with a transformer or adapter that meets your voltage requirements. Next, use rectifiers to convert AC to DC and capacitors to smooth out voltage fluctuations. A voltage regulator will help maintain a stable output, ensuring your circuit runs reliably. Always check that your components are rated for the expected load and environmental conditions. Designing the circuit layout. Now let's bring everything together in a well-planned circuit layout. Begin by sketching a schematic diagram to visualize the connections. Proper component placement is key. Factor in heat dissipation and signal integrity. Using software like Fritzing or Eagle can help refine your design and simulate performance before assembly. Assembling the power supply. With your layout ready, it's time to assemble the circuit. Gather all necessary tools, including a soldering kit and multimeter. Carefully connect each component according to your schematic. Accuracy is essential. Incorrect wiring can lead to malfunctions. Once assembled, double-check for loose connections or potential short circuits. Testing the power supply. Before putting your power supply, thorough testing is essential. Use a multimeter to verify that the output voltage and current match your design specifications. Then, apply a load to check stability. If you notice fluctuations, adjusting components like voltage regulators or capacitors can help. This step ensures reliability in real-world conditions. Finalizing and enclosing the power supply. With testing complete, it's time to enclose your power supply for protection. Choose an enclosure that provides proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Clearly label the input and output connections for ease of use and safety. A well-assembled and enclosed power supply is essential for long-term reliability. And that's it. You now have the knowledge to design, build, and test a simple yet effective power supply. Understanding power supply fundamentals is crucial for anyone working with electronics. Keep experimenting, refining your designs, and expanding your skills. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to TechBlueprint for more clear and practical engineering content.